check what is the available. Check what is the availability zone it is in. It is in North California. If you scroll down, there will be an available, scroll up please, either in the network or in the complete information here, you will find the availability zone of this server. Yeah, look at there. It is in US West 1B. Okay. And you have to allocate your disk only to that region. Now go to that elastic block storage. Can you go to the elastic block storage and start allocating the disk?
No matching running or stopped instance.
Sorry?
Availability zone is in still 1A.
Yeah, you have to change it to 1B. No, go to your elastic volume, elastic block storage. Create a disk. Delete that existing disk.
You want me to delete this?
Yes, let's create a new one, fresh one. Okay. Make sure that you are deleting the, delete volume. Very good. Now create a new disk. Scroll down, look at there, US West 1B. Yes, there you go. You're clear?
Yeah.
You allocate it now and you should be able to attach the disk to the server. Okay, clear?
Okay. Yeah, clear.
Try that please. Okay. So shall we try with the other exercise of removing the disk and then we'll go to the last topic. Okay.
Okay.
And we know, okay. You guys know how to create a user right now?
Yeah.
Yes.
You know how to remove a user?
Yes.
Have you guys learned VI editor?
Yeah.
Okay. And how do you have you guys know how to check the performance of a server?
Yeah. Uptime.
What is the command, guys?
Uptime.
No, performance. There is a command I told you guys.
Top.
Yes, very good. Very good. Now, go to your server and let's try to unmount the disk. Now let's unmount it. df-h. Can you mount those file systems?
Yeah.
Can you mount that learning one? You remember? Okay.
Yes.
Before that, I would like to tell you guys one more command. If you wanted to know what are all the commands you have executed earlier on this system, there is a command called history. Just type the command history. Enter. Okay. It is a session based. So remember, if you wanted to see what are the commands you have executed, you can type the command history. Clear?
Yeah.
Okay. Now you remember the volume name, you remember the logical volume name. Just try to mount all the file systems, Priya.
No, Manusha.
Manusha, I'm sorry, Manusha. Yeah. Hi, Bharat. How are you?
Hi.
Hope you are catching up our this thing, my friend.
Yeah.
Very good. What is the disk name? Can you see that? How do you see the disk name, Manusha?
VG display. VGS.
No, before
Yep.
that, you have to do some steps, right?
Yep. Disk-L.
Very good. Yeah, someone please handhold each other. Yes, F disk-L. Go ahead, please. After that, you have a bunch of steps to do, correct?
Yeah. Yeah, it's mounted.
Excellent. F disk-L. You did PV create, VG create, and all right.
Oh no.
You must do that, right?
Yeah.
Oh, no, wait. Uh, you have to unknown guys. You should handhold each other, right? I was thinking who will help Manusha. Priya, can you take the lead? Can you tell what commands has to be executed?
First, we have to check if disk-L. After
Correct.
that, PV create physical volume. We should create physical volume.
Yeah. So now do one thing. Can you do umount/learning? So what it will do, it will unmount your file system. Guys, this is a new command. So if suppose you have a file system mounted already and you wanted to unmount it, you can use umount space the file system name. Is it clear? Is it clear, guys?
Yeah.
Okay. Now just do the steps: PV create, VG create, LV create, and then mkdir, then mount the file system. Clear?
Yeah.
Yeah, go ahead. That is very important, right?
Yes.
Yeah, no worries. Yeah. Type Y. You know why it is asking? Because it is thinking that you have already some data in it. So it is asking when you did a PV create, it is asking you, hey, you already did a MKFS. You want me to remove the data? Yes, go ahead. Okay, cool. Now what is the next step, guys?
VG create.
Soumya, someone start helping Manusha. I wanted you all to talk. Yeah. Yeah. Very good. Very good, Manusha. Excellent.
We have to give the file name, right?
Volume name, test VG. No, it's just VG display, right? No
VG
need to-
display. Just
That's
type
it.
VGS. Just
That's
do
it.
VGS.
No, she's trying to get all the details of that volume.
She has only one file, right? So no need to.
Correct. Yeah.
Okay.
Now type LVS and take the full path and create the this thing file system. Correct?
Yeah.
Manusha, wait. It's
Yeah.
already exists, cannot create directory.
Okay.
It's already there, just you have to
Change the directory.
Give different directory name. That's it.
Mahesh, when I do umount directory name, I'm getting target is busy.
Hello. Hello.
Yeah.
Can you guys hear me now?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, cool.
Why is it not taking XVDF?
Can you type fdisk-l again? So you already created it, right? You should not take XPDF. You already created a volume group. You already created everything.
Okay.
Just type LVS. Now you have the LV. Now what you need to do next? What is the next step, guys? Pooja, what is the next step? Sorry, Priya. Hello.
Yeah. She
You have
has.
created LV. What is the next step?
No, she has to unmount df-h to check the disk.
Yeah, just do df-h. No, she did not mounted it, right? df-h.
She
Just type
already
df.
mounted it.
No,
Is it?
unmounted it right before.
Just do df-h.
Just check with df-h.
Okay, now just mount it back. That should be fine.
Yeah.
mkdir, put some test 2, test 3, something like that, and mount it back.
Manusha,
Yeah.
Just
uh,
directly,
check.
just directly mount it. You have to use mount space. Yeah. Not this one, right? You have to give the
First
give the
go
path.
to
You have to give the LVS path. Type LVS, give that path here, and then mount it.
Manusha.
Mm.
Check with LV display. You will get the path.
Okay.
Very good. Very good. That's the one you have to take. Brilliant you are. Space test 1. Very good. Uh-oh. Wrong FS type.
Wow.
Just do mkfs.ext4 to /dev/test vg/test. Enter. Just enter. Just enter. No.
Okay.
Okay. Cool. Now try to mount it. Excuse me. Bingo. Right? Just do
Yeah.
df-. Congratulations. You have created your file system. Okay.
Okay.
Now what we will do from here, we will try to remove the disk. So what you have to do, just do umount your file system, umount -f/test1. So you are unmounting your file system, correct? -f, Manusha.
Okay.
Umount -f space test1. You have to give the file system name, right?
Yeah.
Very good. Now go to your AWS console and start removing the disk, detach the disk from the server.
Detached.
Okay, so that's the thing you're asking, right, Priya?
Yes.
It's working, right?
Yeah, it's working. So -f is used for forcefully unmount the disk, right?
Exactly. Okay.
Yeah, cool. Thank you.
Okay, now we will quickly jump on to the next topic. The next topic is about, guys, can you hear me well?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm using my other headset. Let me know if any trouble. So basically, have you guys come across a situation where, sometimes you get a pop-up to your laptop saying that, hey, you have to install a new software, something like that? Have you guys come
Yeah.
across the automatic pop-up, correct? So what do you guys do? You guys install it the same way. In Linux, it doesn't automatically upgrade, but you have to use the command called yum. I repeat it. In Linux, we will use the command called yum. Clear? Hello, guys.
Yeah.
So we have to use the command what?
Yum. Yum.
Yum. Correct?
Yeah.
So use the command yum space what we will do, we will try to install some software now. Use the command yum space git space install. My bad. Use yum space install space git.
Okay.
Type y. Okay, clear?
Yeah.
So what did you do? You have installed it, correct?
Hmm.
So what is the thing you have installed now? Git.
Git.
So Git is one of our tool we will use in our DevOps platform. So in order to install any software, what is the command you have to use? Y.
Install.
Yum install.
Yeah. What is this yum command? Yum command is basically LO update modifier, which is used to install the software. There is also another command called RPM, but that is of no use. That is an outdated command. So we will use yum to install a package. Can you just do man space yum?
Yeah.
Interesting, right? Guys?
Yeah.
Yeah, just come out of it now. Using the yum command, I have an assignment task for you guys now. Using the yum command, try to see if you can remove that package, whatever we installed now. Look into the man page, look into whatever you want. And I wanted you guys to remove the package, what we have installed just now. Look into the man page. Is there a things defined there to delete the package? Take a look.
Yeah. Remove RS package.
Did you remove the package? Just try yum space remove space or yum space git space. What is the command we used? Yum space install space git, right? Use yum
Yes.
space git. What you will type?
Yeah.
Very good. So that is removed. How do you check whether it is removed or not? RPM space hyphen QA.
QA.
QA, that's correct. Pipe grep hyphen I git.
Sorry.
Pipe, you have to use the pipe symbol. I'll put it in the chat. What is that pipe symbol? Look into your chats, guys. Do you see that pipe symbol?
Yeah.
I think it should be on the top of series. Yeah. Not, yeah. Grep.
Sorry.
Grep. Space. Grep. Space. Grep. Hyphen I git. No. Grep symbol. GREP. Type grep. Space hyphen I. Git.
Space git.
Space git. Enter. Okay. So it is not talking about the git what we have installed. It is talking about the git what we have uninstalled. So don't worry about it. If you want to check again, just again do yum space install space git. Now just do rpm space hyphen do history and copy paste the command. It will be easy for you. Look at there, 41, line number 41, copy that line and paste it. Very good. See, you see some extra packages basically on the top, git hyphen 2.3.7. Okay. Scroll up the screen to see that. When you uninstalled it, you don't see that line. Look at the line number 2 in the output. Right?
Yeah.
So you got the difference? What was there earlier? What was there now?
Yeah.
Okay. Now you remove it again. One more way to check is git space hyphen v.
Git space hyphen
V.
v.
Enter. Okay. So it is showing you the version. That's the base thing that it is okay. Just ignore this. But still, till here you are clear, right? How to install and uninstall the patch.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Now, what is the other commands? We know how to create a user. We know how to create a file system. And we know how to check the performance. We know how to, these are all the important things for the DevOps. So we know how to shut down. Okay. What is the command to reboot the server, guys?
Yum.
What is the command to shut down the server?
Init space 0.
Yeah. What is the command to reboot? Init space 6.
Init space?
6.
Sorry, I didn't get you. What?
Numerical 6.
6, okay.
The moment you enter it, the system will go for a reboot.
Okay.
Guys, you have to reconnect, right?
Yeah.
Server went for reboot, you have to reconnect. Go back and connect to the system again.
Reboot instance?
No, Manusha, just click on connect.
You already rebooted, right?
Okay, okay. Okay.
You got that?
Yeah.
Okay. Now it's time for some questions. So these are all the things required for your DevOps platform. Okay. There are few things I have to tell basically. We used in the early command the pipe symbol and all, correct? No one asked me. I thought someone going to ask me a question. Pipe symbol is something, what it does is the input of the first command. We wrote a command, right? What is the command we wrote? RPM-QA. So that command's output will go as an input to the next command. RPM-QA pipe grep-i, that server, grep-i, that package name. So RPM-QA command's output will go as an input to the next command. The usage of pipe is used as a, the output of one command will go as an input to the next command. That is the usage of a pipe command. Clear?
Okay.
Okay. So the pipe command, and then we use a command called grep. What is this grep command doing? It is called a pattern matching command. Suppose in a file, in a file I have hundreds of lines. If I wanted to do a pattern search, means I wanted to find a specific word. Suppose India, if there is a file called world, and there is only one word called India. If I have to find out whether the word India is there or not in a file, then what we can do, we can view the file, cat space file name, pipe grep-i India. Let's do an example. So go to cd/temp Manusha and create a file with the names USA, North America, South America, India, Asia. No. Create in a file, Yeah, add India, USA. No, you're not typing it in that file. Cat space right arrow, then enter the names and then do it. Practice, guys. Every one of you should practice, please. Cat space right arrow, hello. I'll help you, don't worry. Cat space right arrow, hello, enter. Now type India, USA, whatever the other names you like. Very good. Space. Write one more place, anything you like. Sri Lanka, Mumbai, very good. Mumbai, Chennai, and do Control D. Now just do cat space hello. Right? Now I wanted to find out if the word India is there or not in that file. So what you can do, cat space hello. Pipe. grep-i grep-i India. Okay, look at that. India is getting highlighted, correct? Yes or no?
Yeah.
So grep is used for pattern search. Clear?
Yes.
Okay, that's cool. Right, then guys, I wanted you to, every one of you to practice this. Every one of you, please go ahead and practice. That's the most important thing from the scratch. Bharat, you have to go and, if you're following the videos, very good.
Yeah.
If not, go ahead.
Yeah, sure, I'll follow.
What I'll do is tomorrow I'll ask some questions. We will talk about this thing, everything. In fact, there is one more topic I will talk about it, and then I'll start the AWS sessions from tomorrow. Okay.
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 Is it clear, everyone?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
Go back, revise what we have, what I have taught you in this last 1 week or 10 days. Very important sessions, guys. Please understand. Okay. Thank you.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Bye for now.